Video today we're trying out this game. It's called Cat. So yeah, we're gonna see if it's any good or not. I've heard it's very good. Oh well, I just turned purple. I've only played this for 1 round, 2 rounds so far. I mean, he got me just then. I'm not that good at the game. I've only played 2 rounds of this. What? How are they so good? No, I didn't even get a time to move. Oh. What is this, bro? I guess I just have to respawn. Yeah, that's what it seems like. Ooh. Wednesday! Dang, Wednesday, it seems like he's good. What's down here? What? Oh. We're gonna try to get one more kill.
And it's ducks.
I can have my Gucci on. I can wear my. Okay, yeah, this game's a little bit too good for me. So goodbye.